My name is Pratikanjay and I work as a data scientist. And I have working in the industry from more than 7 years, and I have worked for a few of the good organizations like Oracle, Ernst & Young and Walmart. And this is my first YouTube video, and where I'm going to explain about some sentiment analysis on Twitter comments. So let's start, guys. So the first line of code if you will see is for loading a Excel file over here, and basically all my codes are in Python and I'm using a Jupyter notebook over here. So if you see, I have just uploaded Excel file over here, and the file is stored in the variable name called fina. And next I'm going to see the content of my file, and it is basically containing three variables over there. It is id, label and tweet. So label is like label will always belongs to 0 and 1 category. If it is a positive comment, it will be 0. If it is a negative comment, it will be like 1. And tweets are basically the tweets, what people are tweeting about a product or anything. So the next code is for fina.save. We are using this command to see the content of my file, and it is showing me like it is having 31,962 rows, and it is having 3 columns that you can see over here. 3 columns, and the overall count is 31,961. Also, if you want to see how many there are positive comments and negative comments, so this is the code for that. Level.value.counts, it will give me the count of the content of level 0 and also the content of level 1. Our next approach will be cleaning of the data. So now I'm going to perform the cleaning over my data that is stored in tweet variable. So what kind of cleaning I am performing? I am just first converting into a structure, then I am converting into the lowercase, then I am removing some punctuation. It means like a special character or maybe alphanumeric values, some kind of variables over there. Also I am going to remove the digits from there. So after cleaning of the data, if I again want to see my data, it will come like this. If you see here, it is now not containing the alpha numeric values. Also it is not containing any digits over there. So it is much cleaner, which you can see here. It is much cleaner now. So now I will go to perform some transformation of this data, because that we call is as a vectorization, because we cannot directly feed our text data into machine learning. We have to first convert into a vector form so that machine can understand what data it is. So that for that I'm using the Countvectorizer and TfidfVectorizer over there to convert my text data into the vectors. Then I am performing the train and test split. I am just dividing my data into a training set and a testing set. And this, if you see, this is my train data. It is containing this 25,569 data records over there, and this is my test data. So for this I have used naive Bayes algorithms, and this is the code for running a naive Bayes algorithm. I have put in the train data and x train data and y train data, and this is the code for my prediction. I'm predicting the x test data over there. So on x test I will see what kind of result I am getting, and this is my confusion matrix. If you see, this is precision, recall, FN scores and support, and this is the precision, recall and FN score for my positive comments, and this is for my negative comments. Also, if I want to see the accuracy, this is the code for checking the accuracy, and I am getting around 95% of the accuracy. Again, I have performed some kind of a cross validation. Cross validation is very important to see what exactly the accuracy my model is giving. So I have checked for 10 of the different set of training set over there to see for each of the training data what kind of accuracy I am getting. So if you will see here, all the accuracies score is listed over there. Again, if somebody will ask me what kind of accuracy your model is giving, I can say that it will lie in the range of 0.93 to in the range of 0.9374. This is my range. But if somebody will ask me what is the average accuracy of your model, so for that I have used this mean function over there, and this will be my final accuracy of my model that my model is giving as of now. So yeah, this is very simple and easy to